Watrana Ensoko TV koigeka chingenjo chomugusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Tomo chago tengere merobere ito yogosemia na gukumanya yago korekana kera rituko. Nabariki baitu beandrete chinga kichons. Asengenjo yao. Eariganie asobo tengari botari nomubwekano. Eye n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi. Omuruburi kubwatya nabo kurigirirwa na kiro muntu.
Emambia engia omurigerere w'Ensoko no kwigena kwane buna andonsi asore ni gogendrete bya nabo igorit koria oni goria chakire bya eyega n'Ensoko TV oboroso bw'omugusi chinsani nye chabono mambia kukwarigania asomoroberi boturubini astokuchi gusanga naye kurubono iga wika chinsa isano nemo chomugaso bwerit koria rero nyoranga asomoroberi boturubini nigo tukumurekera ari agendrete gwatika ase binyoro imena boigo iskoyense ayo amona yanda mange chomurigerere ene kingango nogendete gutubwatia gose nigo gotonyora ase mitandao yekerero kogenda sense mogari ya Facebook nabo gotonyora buna Ensoko TV Twitter Instagram ase mitandao yonsonyora buna Ensoko TV krokwanyore link yiga yeturubini okunyaka baguko like nabo gogoshare as group chinde na ituranyare ko batoguska ase obwamo na njira bakonyora buna Linet Nyambane ase mitandao yonsi yekerero iturubini nigo yachakire bono rietariane Linet Nyambane. Etorobini nigo tukunye chaka kurwa sensemo ya Bukamba abo asabarai bari bakwamereria eserekari asebakora wago sebarikora na Kalonzo Musyoka omoske Eugene Wamalwa nabayigo Rigathi Gachagua omuraibo kyama gya DCP ritkorigoro nigo baigete egose nigo bachiete etaro yabo asensemo ya Bukamba abo asebastarete chinsemo ao chensemeyu asebanyarete ko babagwa ka siasa asensemeyu anene asebanyarete ko babakomochia omuraibo ense no buraibo ae batebiro muraibo ense nigo agerero bugima bwa Kenya bwabeire akongu egati ya bintu biri bamocheti muraibo ense nuko gukina kwerigorira maguta nabo gasatebire buna nigo anyare ko bagaguturbanania omuroberi bw'echisemi nabo igo omuroberi bwo bwenya osha tigaturanyora ari banyate ko babagukwana kurwa chinsemo cha mwingiri tkorigoro
mwingi nyinyi my cousins. Wow. Hi cousin. Hi cousin. Hi kuzo. Hi cousin. Makasini wapendane wasipendane. Makasini watembeleane wasitembeleane. Makasini watafuta serikali pamoja wasitafute.
Wengine one time. Hebu wekeni kidole Kasongo asikie aone dunia imekuwa sawa. Ai.
Nikisema harambee itakuwaje? Harambee. Wakenya wameamua huyu mtu anaitwa Ruto ni one term. Ama namna gani? Ameharibu elimu, ameharibu masomo, ameharibu afya. Akiwa Mandera juzi akasema akamwambia Duale, na hapa kuna viongozi kutoka Garissa. Yule atakuwa mjumbe wa Mbalabala wa Wiper anaitwa Rale. Huyu atakuwa mjumbe wa Mandera East. Na hapa kuna kiongozi anaitwa Ambassador Swed. Sijui simuoni bwana Ngamia. Ati Duale akatangaza wakiwa Mandera. Akasema Kalonzo na Rigiji na JB na Matiang'i na Eugene Wamalwa asiwatikubaliwe kuingia Garissa. Garissa ni kwa Duale ama ni kwetu? Wangapi wanasema Garissa ni Kenya, Garissa ni Kenya, Garissa ni Kenya? Na huyo Duale si anapitia hapa Mwingi. Sasa tukiekea Kanyanga ataenda wapi? Lakini sisi sio sample namna hiyo, sio wapumbavu namna hiyo. Sisi tunaamini katiba. Katiba ya Kenya nasema uko na uhuru wa kuishi kwa amani mahala popote. Watu kutoka Mwingi, watu kutoka Kitui ambao wako Garissa ni wengi zaidi. Sasa tukasema vile Ruto amesema watu wapigwe risasi kwa miguu, na sisi tunaambia vijana Gen Z na watu wetu, kila mtu achukue silaha yake, na silaha yake ni kura yako. Hiyo kura tarehe 10 August mwaka ujao tunampiga Ruto risasi moja kwa ndebe aende nyumbani. Wangapi watafanya hivyo?
Leo tunavyoongea Ruto amekuwa Italy. Ameenda kuchukua pesa za kujenga dams, kujenga maji, na hiyo pesa badala alete hapa Ukambani amalize ile damu ya Twake na damu zingine, amepeleka Aror na Kimwarer. Hiyo ni ungwana kweli jamani? Kwa hivyo tumwambia kama ameshindwa na kazi aende asiende. Elimu ameharibu hajaribu, afya ameharibu hajaribu. Sisi tunataka miezi 14 ijayo tuambie William Ruto with his failed health policies waende wapi? Nyumbani. With his failed education policies waende wapi? Tunataka turudishe Linda Mama, ilinde mama wetu wote wa hapa Mwingi na Kenya. Sasa uwe bibi wa bodaboda ama mwalimu ama polisi, ukipata mimba we unazaa bure. Serikali ya Kalonzo na Gachagua na Omolo inasimamia. Sawa. Tulikuwa tumetoa pesa ya Edu Afya, watoto wenu wakigonjeka, ilikuwa sisi serikali tunasimamia watoto unatibiwa. Ametoa hiyo. Sasa mtoto akigonjeka unarudishiwa wewe mzazi. Na SHA haifanyi ama inafanya hapa Kitui? SHA inafanya Mwingi. Aende asiende jamani? Mwisho tumesema hivi, sisi tunataka ile ushuru bwana Zakayo ameongeza kwa mafuta aondoe. Tulikuwa NADCO tukiongozwa na Kalonzo, tukamwambia toa hiyo ushuru, ile VAT on fuel, bei ya mafuta ishuke. Tukamwambia hiyo ile fuel levy shilingi 7, toa, bei ya mafuta ifanye nini? Ishuke. Kasongo asiwadanganye. Nimesikia Kindiki anaambia watu eti hii ni vita ya Iran na Israel ati ndio imefanya mafuta ipande. Uongo si uongo? Ni ushuru wa Zakayo umefanya mafuta yetu ifanye nini? Ipande. Ni ile deal ya G2G. Na this is gangster to gangster. Hii ni serikali ya majambazi, wanawaibia ninyi ndio mafuta imepanda.
Ateka watoto nyara. William Ruto, hii serikali unaona? Ndio tunasema hii serikali ikiingia, wafisandi, wezi kama William Kipchirchir Arap Ruto haitatosha kwenda Sugoi. Ni kuondoa mamlakani, alafu tunakuja tunarokota wewe pale Sugoi, tunakupeleka kotini. Mali ya Wakenya ni lazima William Ruto urudishie hawa wananchi. Harambee! Na kwa sababu sisi hatuna mzaha, William Ruto hauwezi kuwa unasema watoto wapigwe risasi mguu. Wewe ni mzazi kweli? Si utupatie mtoto yako moja basi tupige, hata si tupige risasi.
Watu ya Mwingi, nimetolea nyinyi kofia. Si mnajua chama yangu inaitwaje? Kazi yake. Si kila mtu afanya kazi yake? Si kila mtu afanya kibarua? Si mimi nimekuja kusikiza ground. Nikisikiza ground iko makosa? Watu ya Mwingi hapa munasemaje? Ati munasemaje Mwingi? Ate Mwingi munasemaje? Wacha nione. Harambee! Wewe Ruto wewe! Wewe Kasongo! Wewe Kaongo! Wewe Zakayo! Wewe Keng'ei! Wewe muuaji! Wewe mtu ya kutenga! Wewe mtu ya Singapore! Wewe adui ya Mkamba! Keng'ei aende asiende! Keng'ei aende asiende! Watu ya mwingi wa Kamba, mimi najua mnaheshimu Kasongo, lakini Wakamba mnaheshimu Kasongo, lakini nyinyi mnaogopa Kasongo. Nani aliua Gen Z? Nani alisema vijana wapigwe risasi mguu? Nani ameharibu masomo? Nani ameharibu matibabu? Nani amepora Kenya? Nani amesarabatisha maendeleo ya Ukambani? Nani na mudharau Kalonzo Musyoka? Kasongo aende asiende? Mumeamua? Mimi Rigiji niko kadi, je nyinyi? Rigiji yako kadi, je nyinyi? My cousin Kalonzo Musyoka ako kadi, je nyinyi? Muko tayari? Tufukuza Kasongo? Mutaamuka mapema? Saa ngapi? Hadi saa ngapi? Wewe Wakamba wacha mchezo. Wacha hiyo mchezo bwana. Hata saa 10. Kasongo ni mtu ya kufukuzwa saa 7 ya usiku. Ndio akwenda kabisa. Si ndio? Si ndio?
Wewe Kasongo wewe. Wewe Kasongo wewe. Nikamwangalia kwa macho wewe Kasongo wewe. Nikamwambia wewe, ninakuheshimu lakini akaona ni kama kichwa imeruka. Nikarudia tena, wewe Kasongo wewe. Mimi nakuheshimu lakini mwingi tunaheshimu Kasongo lakini sisi ndio tulitengeza huyu Kasongo. Nyumba ya Kasongo huyu ambaye ndiye akuwe rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya. Mtu alituongoza ili Kasongo akuwe rais ni huyu Rigathi Gachagua. Sasa tumeambia huyu Rigathi Gachagua, fundi anajua kujenga, anajua kubomoa. Tubomoe tusibomoe? Tubomoe tusibomoe? Kama Rigathi Gachagua alitusaidia kuweka Kasongo, lazima tusaidie kufukuza Kasongo. Aende asiende? Kazi ya kujenga nyumba ni siku mingi. Tunaweza kujenga mwaka 1, mwaka 2, miezi 7. Kazi ya kubomoa ni siku ngapi? Ngapi? Tubomoe tusibomoe? Kwa hivyo yeye anatembea hapa na unajua huyu Kasongo akikuja hapa anasema sijui Kalonzo Musyoka, sijui watu ya opposition hawana agenda. Wewe Kasongo wewe, hata sijui kamera ya Kasongo iko wapi? I think ndio hii. Wewe Kasongo wewe. Wewe Kasongo wewe. Wewe ametuzoea. Ametuzoea. Kasongo. Kasongo.
Korwa asenseme ya Wakamba ni gotokwira na wikaga iga asomo cho Nairobi ase abaraibe kiama gia Jubilee bakorawa no morikyo monene bwe kiama kyo Mointarel Kenta na baigo omunyakirogo bwe kiama kyo Vincent Kemosini gobono batebire buna kiama gia Jubilee nigego chikuruko kose nigego chigosokya omurwaniriri wekirogo kie ebunge ya Olkalau eyumaega yeyo kabero mubunge bwenseme yugusiria obugima omutenyo gatatu omwako yoiga nigobono baruko bore gochia ase byama biri bikwamereria serikali ibimanyekanite buna alternative government gocha amona kubabwatesia iribanyara ko babako nyara ko babako bababui asensa meyo ase batebire na barabuni go banyare ko babakubwatesia byama byo ase obochorio bakubwanyate ko babogweta na banyana bo nigo baruko bore gochia saba sai na boiga sabanto bansu gwesokia sobonge kwene kiuna ekerugo kingo chigutigara kere asensa meyo kurwaneria serikali gwetere kiama gia Jubilee.
With the final rites now concluded, and the nation having laid to rest Honorable David Kiaraho, Member of Parliament for Kalau constituency, and a devoted member of the Jubilee Party, we remain in deep reflection on the loss of a leader whose life was defined by humility, service, and an unbreakable bond with the people he represented. As the country now turns its attention to the forthcoming by-election in our Kalau constituency, the Jubilee Party wishes to state as follows. The party will field a candidate in the upcoming Olkalau by-election in line with the fact that the position was previously held by a member of the Jubilee Party. The party further assures its members and the entire people of Olkalau constituency of free, fair and transparent nominations that reflect democratic values and the will of the people of Olkalau. In the spirit of building a credible, united and formidable alternative government, and in response to the growing call by Kenyans for opposition unity, the Jubilee Party respectively urges our coalition partners to support the fielding of a single opposition candidate under the Jubilee Party banner in the upcoming by-elections. This is a defining moment for the opposition. For across the nation, Kenyans are increasingly vocal and resolute in their demand for unity of purpose among leaders who seek to offer an alternative vision for the country. They are calling for cooperation over competition, solidarity over fragmentation, and strategy over short-term political interests. Jubilee Party has consistently demonstrated its commitment to opposition unity through deliberate and strategic action. In Mbeere North constituency and toward elections, we stepped aside to support a unified front on a firm conviction that unity is our greatest strength. As partners in the United Alternative Government, we must remain faithful to this precedent which we have continued to uphold in subsequent by-elections, most recently in the Murua-Dikir constituency election in Narok County, where we collectively agreed on a single opposition candidate, the DCP candidate. This approach is intentional, principled, and aligned with the expectations of Kenyans who are calling on us to act as one and present a credible alternative. Further, for the avoidance of doubt, let it be known that Jubilee Party will field candidates in all electoral positions all over the country, from MCA to the President in the upcoming general elections 2027.
And I want to call on members of my generation, young people, to come out and present themselves for candidacy in Olkalau. We are saying that we only have one enemy, and that one enemy is Mr. Kasongo. Mr. 6 months' time. We need to deal with him squarely, perpendicularly, and with finality. We know very well that on that day that we'll have the by-election, the entire government is going to be in Olkalau to try and show Kenyans the middle finger. But we will not allow that. We have brought ourselves as a party to say that that has been a Jubilee Party seat. Like we have done in the spirit of the united opposition, we require the same, so that we can deal with the one and only enemy that we have, Mr. 6 months' time.
As you know, this Jubilee Party is a party founded on the basis and the tenets of democracy. And the democracy requires that each and every body should be given an opportunity to contest any position that he or she wishes to contest. DCP and all other coalition partners are free also to have their candidates to run for Orikarau seat. But what we are saying is that the Orikarau seat has been occupied by Jubilee Party in the last 2 elections or 3 since the year 2013. Up to now, it was the first of all under TNA, subsequently under Jubilee. And in the spirit of togetherness and unity, we have said, since this position was held by Jubilee, it will be better for our coalition sisters to also support Jubilee in this by-election. You remember when we had the by-election in Mbeere, we were able to be persuaded and we stepped it down in favor of DP, whose candidate we supported. We don't intend to field a candidate in Murua-Dikir. Our sister or coalition partners will field a candidate and will find it convenient to support the candidate whom they will agree upon. And we also requested them to find it convenient to support a candidate that will be fielding in Orikarau. Of course, if they field their candidates, then we will have, or we'll cross the bridge when we get there. But as the Secretary General said, the main competitor in Orikarau, as it stands now, is UDA, whom we are going to fight this position with. And believe you me, this position will definitely be occupied by a candidate from the United Coalition under the Jubilee Party.
Gutigana na ayu ya siasa niko tukwirana na ndego tugutigara gigase county ya Nairobi ase omo senator we county ya Vihiga Godfrey Osose nigo atebiro gusagana okwanya teko baga gusaganwa amatuko abwangwiga kurwa ase county ya Kisumu nigatebire egati ya baraikuru ase serikali na ubatumete ibibagebyo iribanyare ko baga kumuita gwika gukwa Osose uyoriko yakwana ya aborit korigoro ase amagacho ye senate nigatebire buna no gosomo chirie wizara y'oburendi boime ayekoragwa no Murkomen na boigo Raymond Amora satebire bono nigo abaraya babire banyare ko babagusinywe gasi yabo anena asanyare ko bagotebanga nengana yo gukumya ekero abaraya bo gosomo waziri w'oburendi boime Kipchumba Murkomen aigete bosyo bwe committee iri kumurekera mangana y'oburendi oburendi meyense na goteba buna ababegwa ubanyate ko babagusi bage bibanyate ko babiko musagana Osose nigo batatu babekire byara asabande 13 gose 14 bakagere gutamera ense gose chinse cha angegaiga.
Mr. Speaker, sir, the incident occurred at West End Mall in Kisumu, an establishment renowned for its stringent security measures and home to key businesses, including the prestigious Acacia Hotel. Despite the mall's reputation for safety, I was violently attacked by a mob of 17 assailants. I have since recorded a statement with the police, yet I'm deeply disturbed by the apparent indifference of both the police and the Ministry of Interior and National Administration. Their lack of urgency in pursuing justice undermines the rule of law and emboldens those who believe they can attack elected leaders with impunity. Mr. Speaker, sir, shockingly, only 3 of the suspected surrendered themselves to the police and were subsequently released on bond of Kenya shillings 1 million each, which they effortlessly paid. The remaining 14 suspects are still at large. This is glaring failure of law enforcement, despite overwhelming evidence provided by the residents of Kisumu and eyewitnesses, raises troubling questions about the commitment of the police to uphold justice. The Principal Secretary, State Department of Internal Security and National Administration, Dr. Raymond Omolo, informed the National Assembly that police had intensified efforts to apprehend the additional suspects while responding to a statement by the Member of Parliament for Luanda constituency, Honorable Dick Maungu. The Principal Secretary himself is adversely mentioned and allegedly linked to the gun. The Cabinet Secretary for Interior and National Administration, Honorable Murkomen, later stated before the Departmental Committee on Administration and National Security that the 14 suspects had fled to a neighboring country. Mr. Speaker, this is shocking because these 14 suspects are reportedly to be still in Kisumu town. Mr. Speaker, sir, this same gang is alleged to have been directly involved in a similar attack in early March 2026 at Best Western Hotel, formerly known as Fairway Hotel in Kisumu, that is associated with Irungu Nyakera. Despite huge business losses, to date, no arrest has been made. The ringleader has been identified and named publicly by a Kisumu resident, yet he has neither been questioned or arrested. Failure to apprehend the remaining suspects and their leader puts my life and the lives of other leaders who may be targeted in grave danger, particularly, Mr. Speaker, as the Linda Mwananchi team is scheduled to hold a public rally in Kisumu on Sunday, the 26th April 2026. Mr. Speaker, sir, the indigeneity that I was subjected to as an elected leader and the Senator of Vihiga County was profoundly traumatic, not only to me personally, but also to my family and the people of Vihiga whom I represent. It is deeply regrettable that the government-associated bloggers have sought to divert attention from the real issue, namely the threat to my life, thereby compounding the torment my family and I continue to endure. This attack was not random. It was a calculated act of political intimidation directly tied to my principled stand on matters concerning the Orange Democratic Movement Party and broader national issues. On Friday, 27th March 2026, I was irregularly and unlawfully removed from my position as a deputy party leader of that party during a special delegates convention. Though I chose not to contest this illegitimate decision, I resolved to continue exercising my constitutional rights through active participation in the Linda Mwananchi political group. My unwavering support for my colleagues facing political persecution, particularly the ODM Secretary General, Honorable Senator Edwin Sifuna, who has evidently provoked powerful individuals within the party who now seek to silence me through violence and intimidation. Mr. Speaker, sir, there is a growing concern about the entrenched culture of political goons and the grave danger it poses to the society. The increasing reliance on informal security by government actors is alarming and may directly linked to the rising insecurity across the country. A case is in point is a recent attack in Kisumu, a day before the Linda Mwananchi rally in Kakamega, where goons targeted the governor of Siaya, Honorable James Orengo, and myself at the Royal Swiss Hotel in the presence of police officers. To date, no arrests have been made in connection with that incident. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is disheartening that top officials of my party, ODM, have neither disavowed the smear and diversionary attempt to justify the violence against me, nor unequivocally condemned the brutal attack. Their loud silence and ambivalency amounts to endorsement of political thuggery and intolerance in general, and justification of the attack on me in particular. Mr. Speaker, sir, today the message from this House against political thuggery and intolerance must be unequivocal and unambiguous, and in favor of the rule of law for all the citizens. To that effect, this House must demand and ensure all the planners, financiers, facilitators, executors of the violent attacks are apprehended and brought to justice, because it is beyond doubt that this gang couldn't have pulled off this attack in broad daylight without the cover of some powerful individuals, apparently beyond the reach and purview of the police and the law. It must be nipped in the bud before it spirals beyond control to consume more elected leaders and other Kenyans at large. Mr. Speaker, in conclusion, I wish to thank the Java staff fraternity, my security, and the customers who witnessed the attack and came to my rescue, leading the attackers to flee. I also extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Senate Minority Leader, Senate Retired Justice Stewart Masayo, who despite immense pressure not to assist me from my own party people and working tirelessly in conjunction with the Parliamentary Service Commission and your office, Mr. Speaker, arranged my emergency airlift to Nairobi, an act that undoubtedly saved my life.
Togotigara gabu ase ebunge ye Senate omo Senator bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna omochiri ekyombe kyobochori ne chimbebe IEBC asatebire nigo kebwenete kubeka obwasioku anene asomurubiri bubwereki bwaba kichikura gukwana kurwa ase bikarobi ebunge ye Senate aburit korigoro. Sifuna nigatebire kiromo Kenya niga bwatobwa obosibore bugutara andonsi ase ense ya Kenya atarikogosererwa obogima bwaye.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Just to comment on the statement by Senator Hamida. Indeed, Honorable Speaker, we are all concerned about the environment in which we are going to have the elections of 2027. And part of that is the way that we treat the process of voter registration, the sanctity of the voters register, the fact that it is a right reserved only for Kenyans to be able to exercise that right. And Honorable Speaker, as I said yesterday, sometimes it is quite alarming, the information that comes from the IEBC. We would want that the Commission understands that this is a very solemn duty that they've been given to undertake, and that they must speak with clarity. There was confusion just a few weeks ago when they said that people who had registered prior to 2012 would have to re-register again. And it was not helpful because one commissioner is saying something and the chair himself is saying something else. There are many, many concerns, and I would want, Honorable Speaker, that the Commission understands that Kenyans need regular briefings from them on what they are doing to address some of those things. Indeed, I also received reports of people who are checking details on the portal and finding that somehow they have been transferred without their consent. And I saw the Honorable Mark Mwenje, the Member of Parliament for Embakasi West, also raised concerns regarding a specific incident, Honorable Speaker, and we want to hear directly from the Commission on what it is doing to avert all these things. And when we speak about the entire environment, Honorable Speaker, I would also want to urge those in power today to understand that all of us have a responsibility to maintain peace in this country. We all have a responsibility to protect our democracy, Honorable Speaker. The sort of environment in which an election is had is more important than even the act of casting the ballot itself. Speaker, we live in a region where we see very strange things happening. In our region, there's places where you can't hold campaign meetings. There's countries where political parties and political leaders have been banned and put in jail, respectively, Honorable Speaker. And we don't want that disease in Kenya. We would want to be allowed to canvass our thoughts. Let people hold meetings, Honorable Speaker. Let people feel free to walk around their own country. And it is saddening, Honorable Speaker, that it can deteriorate to a place where, political violence used to be restricted to political events. It is one thing for somebody to ambush you at a rally and assault you or send goons to your meeting. But it is a totally different spectre, Honorable Speaker, that you can be seated at a restaurant having coffee or tea with your family and people send goons to attack you there. I think we must all condemn that culture very strongly, Honorable Speaker. And the most saddening thing is after what happened to Senator Ososi, we saw choreographed narratives being run on social media by people who are associated with senior people in government. We must condemn that, Honorable Speaker. And finally, personally, I want to thank the clerk of this House. Senator Ososi, you might not know that when I called Jeremiah Nyegenye, he was one of the people who acted very swiftly in conjunction with the minority leader and the office of the Speaker to ensure that you are brought to Nairobi for treatment. So we thank the Speaker and the Clerk of the Senate. Thank you, Honorable.
Na kurwa soroboti uriria omoseneta bwe county ya Nairobi Edwin Sifuna omurigere bwensoko tokwenda mutimo komokego tukwirana tukuchigoswa asensemo ya kabere kromogeni tondo cho ikirege gase studio no butambe asensemo ya kabere muruberin wetorobini nigo tokonyora gustugo sanga no mogeni to aserero tukuchigukwanira engane mwamu abasae amono burai go sabasae no burai ayo amona yanda mange enekinga nigo kobera imeyensoko na riranyare ko bagukumanya usebo igo togo semani nabo igo kumanyani na kiabasaye baganeti serikali yekore meremo nabo igo kugania kwa umurigere bwensoko ngorokyo kwiga to cyare nkwirana ndege kege kerebosyo
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi
Omwancho muri Nensoko TV igeta Nensoko TV ibwatira senge nchao
kokoretera amangana amaya
ayatabwati gwanchero ko rwonsi kurime yagusina isuko yagusi
to kubekera tene ni anyare ko bakawateka
atabwati gwanchiro bonda bwansi
korwa se ebunge ya kitutu chache South Meye County ya Kisii elietari anen Caroline Mausa
kurwe county ya Nyamira elietari Nyarike Steven Embonde
kurwate county ya Kisii ireteriane Wycliffe Orenge
mera na inche Dominic Onderi Nyabuto ekeranya gukoreta amangana y'amagiye ko ritukira Jumatatu bakari tukira Jumapili
jeni gongoro perpetual machin na nyora netrobin ya Nsoko TV oboroso bomugusi
asomuru buri gocha obwige kurugeito
wetanga to nyoma kurwa ase enyomba go
mundu wite ngubo takona minganyi macho ineza kwa gusiria mwibirane bya bikurushugwa riri bya kwa maguta abantu mundu wako ko bukingo butoliwa
ngo na giboko
kubogo yingo
okay ngobane ngenda monzari ya renge kimanyari kya
renge ningubo okitya kuzo
mo korale gukora wanda
bono baravumbura rinde koroba rinde tabagere mbayi bacyomba ogenda none nero mukungu wako kugikia no kugura igo gwanji go kwiranya
Alhamis chinsebere shabutuko numuroro ijuma chinseshano nemo chamubaso
ubwo ndaba ariko yakari ko mbaro tananga naba kumubale mbogwa tikumba
bana barawwe bagaya ndegere ko ariko rigereria okina witonje dero jino musayende ngere dore okino manyanga ngoliero amabero ko midedio yo andari gasoga yo tari ko liera mabero
yo ko dero so ko diga
Chinchira chito chige koronigo chira soko goselwa konene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kicyagire Nsoko TV twachire gutorigesa ko kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba yabanyandwarero
oboroso bomugusi boigekerwe omugusi bono ne chinchira cyago goikaransanse na kubeke TV yawo kwene kingangwe somye urege koro kyomugusi
wetro murobiryo bwige korugito hasi tokomera nabaga kaba Samuelere nabo igabange nabanyika iligo kwanero kwebo ya chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao yumugusi
kera lituko ri aramisi chinsayibere igoro imeye TV yawo na Mbeya Nsoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko yegoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko ibyengia yakire ngumanga bunalero
kera kama tingatara gaiketaoni ya Nyamira na lena shauri sangwe ngaroro moijano
Murigeri bwa Nsoko TV oyo no moroberio gwo kongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au turabe tukumira na kira litukurie iki guchakera chinsa 10 chamogoroba wikenseyemo ya butuko kugwakorire mirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubwe andaji tasekerugo orambulete mirundo kunyagusibero ngori na hali ya screen ni chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwanu bukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to ameriria
Bakaliya omoto yakabwatwa Bakaliya omoto yakabwatwa Amatukemeronge nagaika kabwatwa
Ine asama kiaya mbireo Seino mbireo Asama tuko amaega Obugima bwakira lituko bwomogusi Nigo bwale gosirwa nobolemi Likomera, liburga, lisamora Bionsi ase kerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo Ningi keire libaga likiage asinka yomogusi Nobo ncherelia, nobo orokia, nobo nyanyimbo Gose nobo agachi Somorobelio wikiage kiomogusi nobe gokumerana na inche Frida Kirbo kera litkoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamogoroba astogo sanga nomugusi kurwa chingongo eliokumanya naki bakwenyorera enyere yabo ya kera litko omocha
ebagotebango yogose como elio nero gose kabuya Maiga yokonyora mangana mange korwa segete seni kia usigete gen Soko TV boni go yakirenga kingo koleta nganya sai nigonda koletro murobri kurkunga amegelio yebebelia murobri nigonda olete amuna basomba banya sai abu astra ko batukwegera lingana sobwagale nantalia yoka nonyora matera noena masabo nobori ntunyale koba tokurwa ayankira lituko liye sabato liya bande bagotebanga Jumamos abande batebanga Saturday chinsa 12 chamambia uweka chinsa ibere tomocha gekora nchumulisyo ngaga nabasomba banyesaye ntokoletere umurubiri bweleso seseni
Mwanchumu ligereli Soko TV egetasena mbeyemo aseliro baliagusi aiga no mugusi yakwa egulibaga na konyara kwabaga gotegereru ase chinse 24 asa matuko atanabera seiki Mwanchumu ligereli Soko TV nechikobwata ase chi county cheto ibere chiagusi ekse county ya Nyamira na county ya Kisii ase njira yoboikeranu na nene mono ntonyara kwabatoko genda ase balibale chinse mo chire isiko yagusi sichinse mabune chana kuru Mwanchumu ligereli elitonyara kwa batoko wa umugusi ora sensemo ya nakuru libaga elianyara kwa koigwewa na nemono ntonyara kwa batoko so asichinse mu Childoret no mugusi ora asichinse mu Childoret neranyara kwa koigwewa Mwanchumu ligereli ntonyara kwa batoko genda asibali barasa masamba kuna chinse mu Chiamolo aliaso mugusi yale emuletie tonyara kwa batoko ireke gusi oro no mugusi anyara kwa koigwewa asenchera enkeranu chinse mu Mombasa ntonyara kwa batoko ikoro nelio mugusi nere anyara kwa gakoigwa asenchera enkeranu aiga Omwanchumu ligereli asegeta seni ya Soko TV no gotuchi kwa bato gukora ege korugeito tonyara kwa bato gukora asenchera bwenerete Mwanchumu ligereli aiga ntokoreri bina nekera obwato muchando wasiririo yo mino Mwanchumu ligereli tonyara kwa bato gokorareria okorari kwa nyagosira asenchera bwenerete Soko TV oboroso bw'umugusi
Mukabora ingerango oyechigosori yabarire.
We've never seen anybody win 3 in a row.
Bona omwancha omurigereria ayabuno mututire gwechigosori ao nobe na kirengencho yokogokera.
Goal! Absolutely astonishing. What about that from Gareth Bale?
Geteseni kia ogien Soko TV. Bona nge guchunchugere gokwariganiria na gokwerera chigosori ao oboikeranu. Tomocha kubwata etariki inainche Daniel Omwaga goseko gwancha nabo ogontona Erieta Suarez amagosari webegi iyokolyo keraritko oliye chimamosi igochakera egetone gichinze sano na isato chiamogaso goika 10 chamaragoba ase omoroberi ibwe achigosori amo nabanyangongo ase na kumanyana gokorosera ayatekire ase chigosori
and he's awarded a penalty.
Eye Soko TV oboroso bw'umugusi.
Byabono nando murige bwensoko kwegena kwane buna nigo gendete konyoro murubiri ya senchira ya bene kigima Andonsi Asore nani go kwarigania sentunda ya kabere yo murubiri Unabotambe karoto asoira sentunda ya kabere nigo tokumurekera anene ali atorengete intubuna abakenya sirit kuri rero tokumurekera ali arengete abasaye imeyense togochigukwanira abasaye noburai nararia yega abasaye baganeti arigereriwe gose naki abasaye barakore benyore asebirwo byobochori bore bosyo erinde nabarabo banyare ko bakorra ngerio giri abongo igwe kanarire mara mange nigo tokorra abasaye street naboigo abasaye babire bagutu tumeka bobe ase chibura buru chiri chikwene kigwa ase emesangirekano ya gisiasa na keko gere mambia rero twanyoruru musayo mato tarere gochaga iga erinde tonya ko batokumurekera nararia yaiga abasaye baganeti arigereriwe nabo igo nainu buna abarai muri skugare na okoboko ko inonkorokyo kwiga goseni kimuranyare ko bamukubeka erinda abasaye abana babarorengana ki baminto erio girito ngwegwe kanarire indutaria mandamano katokorangeriwa nabo igo taringo okero chibura buru togotumeka bobe tochikunya kurwania abakenya bandi barasemesangirekano na kero kendo murigereyo nyego kumetinga nararia yega inyoranga ni goreme ya etorobini yensoko ensoko TV na boboroso bomuguse kero nawo kumanyenga twasoira asentunda ya kabiri na bakwenda gari asensemo yemitandao yekerero tubwate buna Facebook na bwega kero wasoira Facebook na bukorike comment ya ororo erinde tonyara ko batokonya some kero togendete no moroberio asante sana makori asowekasi studio chetu
asante
tiboganiria okwani murigereria mwenyoria marieta tori mogendera kino mogeni ora asirit korea
asilieta nkuruko makori Michael aka Kingsman njino musae amana accountant ase kwerinde bakoruka bali bakubara chibesa at the same at the same time engineer auditor ya nabondiga
mbiamono sana kwa iguru wega nabwa tubumanyasa mangana ari yebese kero bano turachakiraga bwa kero gote tugukwana rero itkoria ria rero abasaye no burai kero kende nubuna abasaye watebero yara accountant changamoto nereri gokorora abasa bange bagwetera
changamoto abasa bagwetera ebintu bya squeeze ebintu bya that's bona according to the economy ya Kenya abasa mbali ko sangi into batagite totena one for example njebuni accountant usangi somerete accounting wachire wasomire wakolira amasoma wakolira everything which is required kwa magwika job industry wasangi egasirio when osomerete umuntu monga iru maybe no umwalimu umuntu maybe no muntu osomerete bintu related to your system ya education kama usangi there is a mix up ye kwerende ye bintu akibiko koleka nase asensi na inde shida tobwate boniga Kenya endogero kutokurana na ngomanyete ngakiumanyete ngakyoya yonda amanyete nyagita manyete owasangi mon abasaye ba like nya musaite ko sangi taikurwa saga amanyire n'abantu gete tote nonye kwarwita se bantu mbamanyite ko sune family ino se binte kamnebi ebagwetere ncherere ntambe kwikase batagete kulingana na bali baetere baso barwita sti family chiri chimanyire wasangi umonto nabo musaga gosoma igokora o struggle lakini bali bandu gusangi barweta chi family chibwate connection chitakire nabona totebe bona ise ababali serikali boniga yakobera wasangi yabaraisi asibara bosangi chigasi compared n'abasaba bande bataikurwase side iba lieta liyabo
mbiamono sana mbiamono kare togendete bono nkobori maikogaiga asokorra kwao what is the role of youth in leadership libagaria basaso bora endireriga kokorande sana no musaure asamangana siasa bya mebyage siasa ngokorande no re msali ambere libagaria basa endireriga
abasaye in every system ya economy abasaye no ba ko build economy toise ko bwati for example bono na ni president yeroro igachagete ejane ya karu musaye 1992 toise ko bwati chikwirende cyabo lengo emyakeli yabo kina miguna all the times all abantu bali baeterete system ili yabasaye ono obugambi buyabo gocha bwachakira kurwo musaye kera bwachakira uru musinini nabo okolan through the process koma gocha waika wasangi nabono nabo kokora ebinto bibitakire but tai bonsi bagocha babwatie system eyo nabo gusangia abandi mbaroro babwate bagocha into the system yoburai na crooked way bono yacha yasaleria basaba bande elieta bono wacha wasangi n'abasaimba bwate kwerende but bona ase twikire system eto bwate serikali yachakire ku encourage gunship instead yoko embaho abasae babatumia bune bibago kuhita abantu bali batatagete eyo etali koleta bichenge ya sabasae baboniga
bono ninkiorocheke bonete gokoruna gwatebrega bunga kero kenda baraibage siasa niko bagutumia abasae bube kero gwate misangirikana totebonye oyo opposition leader kabwato musangirikana ase constituency yao okomotomera ibago bichi beseberani omokutano oyo boigo abasae barorekane nande na baba none kereria baraiba tagita abantu sengenche basae mbagwatigase na baba sae bagwaka no 500 baburi basi bagende gusi what is your take on that kobono basemikura abasae abagokora
akira tuko bono totena abasae bagokora boigo taiba sae bagokora
Bueno, vete na guacha, katore gutaria. Oye, basae bagokora. Nachire na kwire 500 gwanchire kyuta kwangira. Gwanchire na kwire 500 gwesibiri wasoire basi na kuburi na kure gose kibero chiko kwanda manororo. Ingobu bwanja.
Etwacha kire top killing naki ngaki abasae nkiyakora abasae. Bono twacha nataka na masomo. Nataka na masomo alafu koma gotebe koma gocha wasoira se system bono ya ikire kwende. Umusa uyu kuburi gwebu 500. Omaithe ekerogocha kusangia umuntu iru 500 rusi wasale. That means is a person who is trying to lose hope. Ekara boniga ase kerumusa abwategasi amaitengana kinkobo kandi ngende nchiko kolegasi yane insangi chibesa at the end of the month togontina musa oyu naboke atebigune siringi 500 gendo risk obugima boge kogerekero kwenda gali asumukutano uli umwana siaso yuko irata ina bono nerugo protect tainya sauli nyasawo umwana siaso oyo ikia koirororo o protect interest chiaye narorire mikutani menga sabasae bakoburigu baenda bayarutwa magena baenda baitwa abandi bakabako batigara mwana siaso ulita gutoka buna njinarete to muroyuso muisikoyu acho mukutanone so na kitu achakire kwirendeli twengote bana ekere serikali ngo create more opportunities jiabasae kero musasa ngiega sikekora usangia basae bango montago kule school ostura ko gusangiega ega sisko gaiga bono kwa magusangia mwana siasa oyero ibire chibese kurwe serikali osangiri iskach yoko bibuli umusawo yo ahenda mutumie bobe amo siringi 500 chikekora siringi na alishwanga na ki umusawo yo nakaletaki na tete siringi 500 that's where the issue de gotokera yeah
kero kende karwana totebe na abasae bandu maita bakurira okonyora mna gwatebira abo batigirisko ya serikali. What is the importance from that nini SMS yikaranse orochenga bono moraisa kubikwa se serikali youth inclusion bone serikali yabekirenga tiga ministry ya basae importance kira chiko basoburayo.
You know there is a uskoligelia abantu bakoleta like investors abange bakole in the world na gukubwati from oyo Facebook ngaki akorukune letalia all those guys ebachagete ikina like of the Jack Ma bakwirende ba China all those guys ebachagete kibarabasai wono ekero omusahale like miaka nero tokolke miaka yega to miaka 28 30 to 40 there in between umusa aise ko encouraged aise ko kole kwirende ko tubuya na baba ko create employment lakini bono the
problem kibara create that employment
through being employed omate ekerwa sangiri chibesa osekerwa sangiri resources. That's when you build the resources musaita go chiko build the resources atabwati resources yeah so through that resources na ichiko garangana ki o expand your mind kokora kwirende ko create more resources. Inko ko hand example unaboniga ya AI right now is doing a lot of things, but who came up with the AI is the young people. So the young people ekeraba bahire resources yetakere na wago come up with the new ideas compared to the old age eso gusangia umuntu atete kuboka mambi aenda akore gasi akore marogoba aende nyomba nene mambi aboke. So there is a difference ekero umusali empowered na ndekero umuntu mukorende muntu monene ali empowered, but there is no empowerment yaso muntu monene because gekogera chinga kicyabekere basomete mbasangite kigasi woni gusangia umusali na bagosoma na ndo ansa ku struggle ku create egento kaliengo create uta ku create baadaye bono yachakoba is like a loss. Yeah.
Bia mono nande senge njodo chiri boriria masomo ria soire gabo. O iso kurigereri Michael abasa na bangi sana ba ku graduate kero mwaka. In fact mutinyo December a lot of graduates ba ku ruchi school. Na what I know taringa kero so mete ne lazima urikwe. You go to school to get skills erinde chira gokonya sobugima because taribo nona bato Paris kogega tari bonse bakoreteki bari kiro muntu okogenda skuru onyore orusi obuchingo onyoro bungaini na kyogocha komenya kero kende ninki oroche kekogera basaya bamogochora chigasi singenche watu wengine wanasema basaya bange muntu okoronyora abwate gose buna bona bwataga degree kae tata itiko kora gasi yenkenke iyarure kanangana ki abaiga kero ke aba mbaroro bari ba korete form 4 mba faulu kogende university ose college wao wakaanza kujituma mapema okoro wetuma kumapema but by the time wao gocha kurwe university na ndonge gochora chikasi sikogega unapata yeye ameendelea na bwata business yae gabwa kurani na bwate gose epigipigi yae na bwate matatu yae ingi challenge yo yoro chenerere gose ngekora basaye bagochora chikasi
sinkagirete gose basaye ngochora bali chikasi totena bono mundo somile lo ekero wasoire law school no bwate ogokora 4 years kwa makwenda school Kenya School of Law wakora 2 years
2 years yeah
kwa ruoro waso practice vale onto wandeina no Kenya School of Law ojokoba senior advocate like the likes of Kinomari even the BNC biko in the process. That's why like njenga wata in engineer auditor. But how did I become an auditor? I did accounting. Akarana chitina collect accounting ngandanga practice outside. So growth yego chana experience. So even the bako tena abasa ngo juzi bale chigasi kwa baire gasi yu bachusiri. Teyo. Kwanzi gasi yo tena na bago chusi neroro. Ego totai tegendo kurukuna ekerote to basaiba create more opportunities in the economy like injengo chana kwanida sana developed economies whereby nabusangina for example the government na US usangi mwana musaina basome to college bake university yae uchiro cha kireka wash yae ekera cha kireka wash tayeli ya rumuliri is the economy allows you that this car wash yenye umeanza inaweza kukupatia pesa kama yenye ungeemploywa ingekupatia pesa the same way.
What you are trying to say Kenya isiku cha
so economy yense ekoba stabilized in a system ya siasa wanye kubwate siasa imbe ubugima bwako bobobe. For example saizi nko ipache tiku chake a decent car wash yenye umeteke uteyuko chake car wash ora tena bona tena kwatebire na Kenya gego to usangiweza akorogo chake decent car wash Kenya ni chibesire ngora ora chakire ne something like 300-400,000 nteimo saikyo rule university ubwate chibese kaminichi usemo saikyo rasoka kuru university ande bengi abatebi ngelo ni tete ko chake car wash ya 400,000 aiwe. There is no day. So no any when you go ikoroban so got enough financial stability ngakyo bwatenga what was your savings, what was so yacha bega senkong. But those countries usangie kero musagata na nimbwate business idea nimbwate a plan, this is a plan I have ndete uchaka usinege ntogete na identify the place immediately ukwa kuchibesa na ndi baenda bana raisi ekwerendele project yao bakwa chibesa wacha kibia ekwerende ebiashara byao. So ekwerende yabasaita ina basaibara is the state of the economy ya eko dwindle abasai bono bansa ku struggle ekora kwa roji president ya kwa bantu 25,000 last time ya 125,000 nteyaye notete kuchaka biashara bya mana usino tebe notete kuchaka kwa nani chinyanya How long will you take to nini?
Lakini chiwe sana to accurate gese nya tote bo ina.
To make that money like that 25,000 to make for your decent
money. Na ine kwerende mubwate birengererie bibe Michael. Let me tell you, there's somebody wisoko mwa 25,000. Eke maine ara ros Kenya be lead to heaven. Ana senga njoba expectation chire.
Si expectation.
Na ro mwe 1000 ngapi 3. Akoenda gekomba wichinya goso yekera botatari anyore profit ya yeri moja. Mambi bontro cho mentre chabere 1000.
See expectation. It depends on every person's motive and the way they are reasoning. Togonde ina omaedo muntu naruchite skuru intention ya yata itasangigas. Muntu naruchite skuru abate mind ye biashara. Muntu naruchite skuru gatete gochake biashara biralete ekwerende. Waigu 25,000 boniga. Ngotai for example totena watakire koleta gusini chinyanya koleta. Boni gobogoli chinyanya. Bogoli chinyanya ne tray. Nairobi ga ndete ngo example no nayo boke totena Nairobi ole. Kwachire kwagolire chinyanya. You are very new to the market. You are just very innocent. Kwabogolire chinyanya. Kwairire chiro. Kwa hiyo space ile ngora orakane. Space yoka yoko nchinyanya echo.
Utokura rige space kwa soma wishko chinyanya.
Ni space yure ngoma etora nyakane.
Ndire ngora akane nanya.
Obvious corruption yere giga town yere too much. You can pay for only a space yoko beka chinyanya chiao. Over 15,000. You need space. Enekero mageni asekwerende. Engabona una totebe for example aba muraba beji border. Ekera abantu babwataka stage kabo. Agantu kaliba begetiga. Nyumoso imali ubeke border ya otebe nango tenenole. Lazima ubeke registration. Registration lowest abantu babwakana irenga. Up to 50,000. Up to 50,000. Oendo ubeka stage kali. Kwa hiyo 25,000. So there is a ekeromo ndagata na bogo chake biashara ina bogo ndogole chinyanya usine ekwerende grade kama tote go in 10,000 15,000 but you don't consider these amenities and the corruption we have in the country yeta ikwenepo okole biashara unabitakire
ikono gotenga challenge anene ego chanda basaye mono ekogera batari guikirania magania abo nkwerende corruption
corruption in the country. That's the biggest problem. And people take things simple. Like umono rawata ina ichibese chinzangina mongo koragento gete. But where there is a market, wakatena karata soma business or then you consider you identify market cap. Kara identify the market cap. Wasangire market cap, but this market cap is very expensive. What will you do? Togonte ina boni anobo golichinyanya. Togonte ina boni anobo golichinyanya oende Nyamira. Oende Nyamira 25,000
echo kwa yore ganji oguchiria gyokora.
Tayo okoria nabo sange abantu bande bachakire biashara, but it fails. The business fails. I can tell you for example, there is a year spent like almost 1 million, but the business failed. Yeah, so because even tebyo sangi kanjo bachire batayitegendo gete marwa bayo muskal yani yama yachika yate shida uko nabora igole biashara because you cannot open a business today and then expect the customers to come immediately. It's not easy. Even though we kind of gradually slowly it will take time, and that time it needs capital. Ikoro bagotena bone kero to kora analysis e biashara agotene biashara ekero totena otete kwigora ne biashara town igaiga obwente ko tware budget ya 6 months turujuni gotete kwigora ne nyumba. I came to realize aba kwirenda aba Somalia na opa maite ediri eyo ekero totena ntete kwigora biashara gusini nyumba ngo kombwa inyumbeye mbwente kutora chibesi cyo kombo inyumba 6 months mbwente kutora chibesi cyo gwakana afanyika 6 months mbwente kutora chibesi stock ecolan that house. So stock yekere once akoleta chibesa we assume that after 6 months that's when the business will break even all. That's when you will know that this business will never work. Yeah.
Biamona sana. Biamona kigimekana ndo chenga chidai nigo chikendete komnyoka lakini ribodi ndirega ndagete ara kubori ndito ura kukorira nerituma kwenda omotimoko. Narorenga una nagote nkokoranda asebya mabya gesiasa. Okaitenga chiquality cyo musaye umurayo muyanjire chichiga. Umaito isikuburi abana siasa kero kenda bagote abasaya babwate emotions musaye tariko tabi kwanza buna jensi umumachani umukomandi abo bono na mambi tariko boka chegasa.
There is a narrative of, you know, life go like it's called a mutation, like change. Ekogera tatena umuntu nyole to 1960. There is a life akine tenero no muntu nyole to 2000. So ekero umuntu yote no command genzi na nabara betabuka gojiga simambi taina kwa command. Is only that the difference between you and this person is different. What I know you sang abantu mbaro bakine to bogambi wamwe mbaro rotu akine te bune tutu akine to bogambi waki bakine litu ajito manyana serikali ngoto no ke bakine abantu mbagwenta ko school abantu mbaro bakine rachinga kizya Kenyatta. So like kwerende live very different. So kero muntu na wente kuiruna koleteki na kinete. Muntu narukinire te propand. Muntu narukinire to boro mahambi gakobo kolyo boro ne chae o kole kwerende. Those people are very different to kobalinganisha. So I think the system ositotebe abakubwa bagwente go take time or the understand different generations of people. Kere kwa understand na lyo komanyanga ki abantu aba oyonkia tagete na ndinkia tatagete. Kose onye gatagete kene jitingita getinga kinkomoleta into the my institution like to wanane so that we can work together. Yeah.
Biamona sana. Biamona kagimumurge bwanso kakaraba nondo chideka cyabutukire ne meronge ebere na isano na isato guse chitigarete chidege kemerongo 32 chikoraga chensa isano na emocha bono mugaso kuragenda umutimo komoke gonkwirana kogendera turnenseme yo murubi tumanyana ki abasaye narare baganete arigererigwe erinde banyakoba abaraiba ankyo anene chinga kichiga siasa chigendete kubwata riberera ase chinsemo ao chiense naboko tonyora se mitandao ya kerero akoenda sensemo ya Facebook utubwate buna Ensoko TV YouTube nigotore live karwaso iroro nigo ko like na go share link yega erinde enyarko wage wikera abasai abange tochare goira nanda sekeke kerebusyo.
Eye Ensoko TV uboroso bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ugaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721511500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Ine nuganete betri uratumia segali yao ebetri ugucakirimo ugakweba ebetiri olegene chingaki chionsi ebengaki eriberera gosengaki yobokendu tawe chandika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asing'inchao nigo tokorosia na koni chibetiri uratumia chingaki chionsi chibetiri uratumie asegari enke ebasi nonyaneri kurukuru.
Tutakupitia pale kwa gari yako, tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Asomoro buligo cha abwige kurugyeito
gwetanga to nyoma kurwa ase enyomba go
mundu wite ngubo takona minganyi mache ineza kwa gusiria mwibirane bya ariko rushugwa ni bya kwa maguta abantu mundu wako ko bukingo butuliwa
ngora wa kiboko
yingu mwiri
okay ngobone ngenda monzari ya renge kimanyariki ya renge
ngubo okitya tu
mo korale go kora wanda
bono baravumbura rinde koroba rinde tabagere mbaye bacyomba ogenda none nero mukungwa go kugikia no gugura go gwanti go kuiranya
Alhamis chinsa ibere cyabutuko numuroroye ijuma chinsa shano nemo cyamubaso
ubwo ndaba ariko yakari ko mbaro tananga baba kumubale mbogo ati ko
bana barawe bagaya ndegere ko ari kurigereria okina witonje dero no musayende ngere dore okina manya ngoli ro amabere ko midedi no ndari gasoga yo tari kuriera magana
Chinchira chito chige koronigo chira soko goseli bokonene gosiriwa ne chinchira chekerero ekira kikyagaren soko TV twachire gutoligesa ko kyomugusi kurwa soko limera asendiba yabanyandwaliro
oboroso bomugusi boigekerwe omugusi bono ne chinchira cyago goikaransanse na kobeke TV yawo kwene kingangwe somyo uregekoro kyomugusi
wetro murobiryo bwigekoro gyeito hasi tokumera nabaga kaba samwerere naboigabange nabanyika eriko kwanero ukwebo ya chindagira amasikani chinyangi nemejega ao yumugusi
kera lituko ria ramisi chinsa ibere igoro imeye TV yawo na Mbeya Mensoko TV
na Stephen Nyarike Mbunde tolende ekimira
eye Mensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi
Yekoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko Yekoro yeito imeye Nsoko Nsoko ibyengia yakire ngumanga bunalero
ine asama kiaya mbireo seino mbireo asama tuko amaega obugima bwakira lituko bwomugusi nigo bwale gosirwa nobolemi likomera liburuga lisamura byonsi asekerenga yokobeka ase ekiage ekemo ningi keire libaga likiage asenka yomugusi nobonchereria noborokia nobonyanyimbo gose nobwagachi somoroberio wikiage kyomugusi nobe bokumerana na inche Frida Kerbo kera litukoria ijuma chinsa ibere chamugoroba astogo sanga nomugusi kurwa chingongo elio kumanya naki bakonyorera engere yabo ya kera lituko tomocha
Eye Nensoko TV oboroso bwumugusi
Biabona naendo muria bwensoko asante sana na nigukwariganĩa asintunde yigekera tore dakika chiri cha lala salama asomoro beri weturubini togendete kumurekera abarai gose abasae nabo igo siasa na abasae imeyense ibagari abasae ase oborai imeyense ndireriga kero tore no mogenita se studio akurukwa makori Kingsman uyogendete gotwerera nabo igo kunyakuru kubori guchasa abasae kaitenga bagendete konyoro boseme nabo igo bagendete kuigora maiso kubatikana anene chinga kichiga chia siasa chiburaburu chikoba chikwenekirwa kwanyoranga abasae na ubare umustari umutu koreta chiburaburu aschense mecho makori borindire iga na rorire iga kero kendenga abari bagari abasae sai rero buna barai noti mambia na kiro cyare ko banini bono mo gutura na yenze yare ko bera ne
na mbia se liboli elio ndate ngo monyene liboli example ndo bwate musaye okoro ku travel is direct now ngagere 36 years he's a very young man and I saw it at 2022 we circulated Burkina Faso boniga within 4 years ya beire a president ya Burkina Faso progress ya akolire njana gukora for the almost 28 years but yero nyakolire within 4 years Burkina Faso no nechipara no ina mache bintu byalenge bikongo sangi lakini ekero musaolia so system no chete ina mine ini kwerende yoko overthrow the former president but even takolire nkorrekana biri muna basae no barakora maendeleo and another thing ekere ko musae irwo bugambi musa umaite tabwati intention cyo gutaka kuiba akore kwerende
orashwa gase nje musae tabwati ni bono na riata ete ko invest
tinganda ni kwa toko obasa abanje mbabwati intention yo kuiba na bagaka bakuiba ekero musae irwo bugambi egenta akorengerere most of first thing no ko make life ebe simple that's why kuligeli for naenda na ko example ya Burkina Faso whereby umusae tu bugambi o improve economy yense orosiri chipara orosiri ebintu abantu batsigasi improve o increase the economy ya groire no ene chigasi abantu gusangicha bire very simple tenga bona ririkale so amangana yabagaka nabasae umugakera umetata eteko ko create inheritance musaita bwati inheritance boniga go create warning entago create no ko make the life possible abantu bakole kwerende tinda kana bunamba ro sangi barasangi babwate bad intentions keko barate abantu bonsipi barabaya kero muntu nabwate birengerere bya lakini majority tena bonigo basaito irwo bogambi Kenya entego take long to tara change economy baka ukumina engana kia basaba baka ba change economy very fast yakora the first thing almost is a person who is very informed and no one totally very ready for change so through that process rosangia basaba kolide binte binge kubwe binte byabagaka bakora yakora mugakera akotakaibe mono arosalia abana baye arosalia bachukoroli ono yacha yasangia lete confusion
biamono yakisanga njwa tairenga abasae mwise ko guri bagana bo morarete change enene tanya korekana ingi okagerete kere getange kenene abasae bangi batari bwaso yasobora
Kenya is very expensive korania campaign very expensive korania campaign Kenya is very expensive so gocha go convince abantu nainde ebinyoro kweta naro muntu agote inga bono na gusiyo te koko enda boni gansoke guchike nyoro ntebe nani ko bulinde gusino MP the first thing go chumutungi tosere kyobwate usekarako tora tosera muntu chogote bigoro nare irenchara so they don't see the solution igento bakorigereri ngana ki umuntu yonki ara toerero and a system to be kiri bono na Kenya ni lingana ki nekero omonto akobori obwongozi omonto ya akobori obwongozi achikongibera already kwa moire powers omotebingana ki ekero omote insere kwa motebingana ki aego gosangi ingachi pesa boniga gokwenda kali nabo gochisangi wana wasangi omonto abwate intention ngana ki na nchingo sina apaete chipesa obogambi na akoreteki inagurete so omonto oenda ika oanza korengereri gokora ki kuiba mono asangi chipesa nindagocha gokong'aine next time gekogera already onyogurire boniga ose nabo kobanga next time muchikogora so that's the problem to face na kwerende na economy kwararire chi economy nchirorora especially na totena Uganda where Bobi Wine ainge go campaign gakoende campaign ende yonsi ochangiru chipesa abantu bamuchangira bode no tate chikali no tate gento gete bamuchangira nturoike system ya Kenya asogosangi ekero omonto atenenire omusaya na boruchu no musaya oyo nabwate chinguru na bara aragambe buya abantu batenne batebe ngana ki omusaya oyo nere tutagete tiga tumusugume bakachi gotokorera ki gotoretera
abasenje bakwanenga abasaya senare okonyora baguchangiru iso kuinyora antu bato musaya oyo mono mete morara kibaso morara kibaso ngakinerare kukurwania serikali ya Kenya kwanza sana abakenya mbachitamo mpaka bakamugurira chi sound system bakanyiru bagachiruka inject kero igete aga step down paka bono iga kero kende turikoranga abasaye bokango chabare gosenkende baguchibaye batiga bono bamwanga ya bono tindi kurwana tigambe go ndari chiri chinke aya nona wego kurukuka Samuel sunamjua na yaro nyote buna ari kurwania serikali bororo makamandamana narengo akuno of late na RMS iga ya broad based ni wakoragera ko
ekesi kina kia murara wakati nilimwona aki-explain na tebete na ikikiagereta gatiga bakaboniga murara nkwenda inject ngagire tonyo goko wati video chiaye
lakini hata aendi unakumbuka bwana chire bakaba Kenya bamuchangira
ya nkwenda ali ground murara nkwenda ali ground and is going is the same ground ya tumiete koba fame and is the same culture ndo chagendrete it's only that ekere kwa letira abasaye ase group totena abasaye kwa baletira ase group murako sina abasaye 100 asabanta abambaroro babwate bad intention mbaroro bigwete babebunaye abanta babande mbaroro bagutumeko tainekere mwacha muri pamoja system nero ni bwata abantu baye mari be serikali wona kwerendeli ya murara yalenga abasaye tayera byekurenge era abantu baunganete bakabakabarosie obisi bagateba ngoro story political party kiregento ekera basororo baganza kumwaki vita kuru inside so that's why abinto byonsi ipibi kasambaratika akaira na back and that's why to serikali nero so kanero na bosangi ogotaka gukora egento serikali yachaka gukora kurukuru nyuma pole do you remember ekere time murara alenge Bomas of Kenya 90% y'abantu balenge gali balenga abasai but imbando kibatumye tukomuita it's the same young people so ekobwati ngana ki ekere togotara guchio ekwerende sabali yeye are we having the same mind na bora chake gutari sabali no monto kumbo bwete mule pamoja mtu ayuko ako nini so that's the same experience Murara City and I think nasomete in the hard way maybe next time ngo na bakora good choosing
okay esinge njwatebire na ende challenge ene nabasaya bagwetera gabo chibese chokore campaign watere Kenya gakora next week campaign is very expensive compared lakini ekera mandamano teteba basaya bakorangerania mandamano sijiona wakienda ground kuitana huko why can't you use the same method erimo gutumia kurangerani gusana mandamano singe cha mandamano by the wanaitana online bono tetebe mna account ya Nairobi abasaye population ya abasaye regoro sana because abantu abange Nairobi gani youths tetebe no motaitu gutenenio mo senator mogutumia no ne same method ito mogutumia ya mandamano mukurangirani kwanyoranga tumira ne Jivanji Garden tumira na sekete mutumie method ibono mokori campaign motenga tiga tuteneni nyarebe
that can be done ekere tole totena ekere tora abake so abasaba ba so online baumera na batena tokora mandamano is just a collective of different tribes n'abantu kurikira se bakora maandamano aba successive but remember ekero tokwanda 2027 ntubwate ibirogosta bikorwaniriro ono mu MCA ntubwate mu women rep ntubwate governor ntubwate MP ntubwate president ntubwate senator so ekero kubeke ibiroge byonsi in a constituency tatena gusenaga constituency gete abasaba mbatema ko wochamo mbagwikana mberi abantu abakoto abantu bali emyaka yabo sio barakore kwirende so that's why hosangi ekero bagotena abantu bagwaka chikura especially n'abantu bagocha batwachikavana n'abantu abakoro nabarabumba manyitinga naki egavana yogotoa mipita someti mipita understand tinki egasi yobo gavana niririe bona yama gwika mwansa kolera and after 5 mwaso irio monto mwansa kolera that's why tuachagete negente kigiasitena niko kadi to make sure abasai register abangi they want to roko and constituency umanyangana ki abasaba we have the same vision we have the same mind na wotu kurizon pamoja tuanze rekoruntu na inde tuande to convince abaibuli bali baito abantu bali kenyora bagaka bali nabangina tubatebingana kiyaya ikeneke na boge okorekana iga neke na boge okorekana so that nalitogo change system in the simplest way na inde no manyete culture just okuru na bogo sangi umuntu ari umusai abwate leadership abwate qualities titakire koma gusangi culture abantu bandi gusangi gotebe gunangana kiyaya turikire myaka tigira nyagete wego ya ndabona yareta chishu cyaba chinyinge so igabu no chida chigo chatukira sabasai wane waza kwata gusangie culture goteba igae gabu monto monene bono yareta shida yeah so in all those sabasai there is a lot of challenges abantu babwente gosomigu like barusi bwase ibintu bibyakara tena bone bugima bwabere modernized mo nyagete na bakore gasi nende gasi na bekorekane ground
bana karato akwanire binde what do you think that unjera kibono guchumutuga way forward to amwarore chi challenge chiriche mubeke tabas chibwate tabasa technology nerororo gwatebiro kuburushwe chibese what is the way forward tara ne kibuna bono igo bochorio 2027 ye abasa engonyo abare biroge benge batige kunya kuraga kurusiko gaiga umaite bone gabagate umugakori tukamubeka ari zijwe nini nande nyo chikura nabangi nabana bagaka bagwaka
boniga nkagerete na umaite na digitalization and we tried digital 2024 tukarana wego colleagues nabo online yeko colleagues so squeeze tuachakire college stabasai maybe to WhatsApp group to Facebook all those kinds of things especially na Facebook maita abantu barora bangina nabaga gusangi bamaitera on Facebook wamanyete nyaka ya yonstamate kende so we are trying to engage different kinds of people tobaletamo kera twabekiramo tobatebingana ki ne batatena gusena chire Nyamira county abasaye namba yabasaira bakakubwa bangina lakini bono to bintu bya civic education na bitoko koraboni atote yo muntu ngana kieke ubugambi obo umuntu naroro maite gali village utamete gasiye gavana niririe era gotebe ngana ki umuntu tekungoko bekire gavana tosere kero mungi nasere irwa tebuna moi gavana uri natoyete chibesa so so tobwente gukora ikasumbiri tobantengana ki ekera kwa iro umuntu oyo kwa moire gavana nabwate budget every year budget ya guchutumia koiba ochkwagachira chinyomba Nairobi usuchi gokorera gento gete binte binga bitali bya county umungi no yamanyangana ki gavana tokwa na muntu manyete ginta gukora na no muntu orakoreki amaenderero ase county so from there and ali abantu bagochikolani bamanyangana ki system yokoraiga na ende tosangi birugi binge byabasai so from that process na batogosangi ibintu bibirugi byabasai so ntochagete chikwirende chi process chinyinge chokora civic education and I think it's going very well and boni gana ndoche na 2027 gego ikaiga no gusangia abantu babiri informed bamanyire kirege ntonga kiyokoru bamanyire budget ye women rep neroro umaite bona boni gana na nkobori gana ki women rep gasianererie togontebe lakini umaite nabwate budget koibwalchi pesa nangafu ngokonye nabwente gokoraki nabwente gokonye birema nabwente gokonye abantu bakora kwirende abantu barubwata amarwire fani kwirende each village but umungi no uli endo buli umungi nagali gusiyo mutengana kigwe gasiye kwemende pnererie ya timanyeti so erega syakotana nyakete natwetereso yatomo chikura but at the end of the day wasangi umuntu nabwate usino mwana kermuta bwati no nekiro agosokera kuru nyomba so those are the challenges to bwente gotebya abantu binyoro bamanyangana ki kire a position ne bwate gasi yaye nende gasi ya nereye umuntu oranyare koko gasi yenyagete bona nalitura kole story eliyo gosangia abantu abaibia bange baibachi besa bakabacha gotengana ki bona ntaite guchinji kirugo ngendeke ngao
bia mono ese ngencho ni maite ngaye ni goro musae korwase kiama gya Jubilee abasaye mbarenga mwari kiri gose mwa kore mwanyare ko bamoko mobilize beri kiri buna bakichikora
boni gatwa mobilize over 500,000 people bali asabanta ba registered list ya sogate ya kwerende ya IPC na watu tobwata over 500,000 ba Jubilee bali registered countrywide
bema no kubori kwa ongoro keke go cha somo sayo kurgete mambi abono
abasai tobwate chikura kare tobwatire chikura tokonya ne gosomia bangina nabagakasi villages turu town tutige siasa ya town toende to concentrate toleta maendeleo essence yetu ya Kenya maendeleo development is through us, is not somebody else. Hata na uongozi ni sasa, kama si sasa ni sasa hivi
bia mono sana bia mono kegimo muriga bwenso kwa igure obosemi bia kurwa ase omusae Michael Kingsman uyo nyare ko baga kurobo semi gucha saba sae kwa iguru musae Andonsia Sori tiga gutumika bobe tiga kwenda ase mikutano ya gisiasa na kongya kurwania abantu tiga kwa guchiringi 500 kogenda kuburia abantu bando morembe ngase ngencho mwana siasa oitanje tiyo yogo koro musangirikano gabu ene kinga Asori na enkomenyoro bogimo bia irwanerere kore gento kirikira kwe ebese nabo igokira gokonye ase obugima bwa ankyo nagwikiraga bo murigeri bwensoko no tuguchikokorera omweri bo muroberi aserit koria rero nakugwa nerio gende gutwara oburigererio bia ase meroberi itemetigari iretariane Linet Nyambane.
Eye Nensoko TV.